Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name I am vava istrada name 1932000076 Informatics dari program komputer fakulti alma universitas Yogyakarta. And today I want to talk to you about the database that I will present today for the English segment. What is this database? My conversion is divided into 5 parts. What is this database? Understanding database according to experience. Database is a collection of data that is mechanical, divided, formally defined, and controlled in the organization by Gordon Severance. First, I will talk about the meaning and definition. I'll start with that is a database. The first thing you need to know is the definition of database. Before getting in the definition, it is helpful to break down the meaning of word. Base can be defined as a headquarters or warehouse, a place to net or get data. What is a representation of real-world that represent objects such as humans, animals, events, concepts, circumstances, and so on. So, what is database? The database is a collection of data that is relative. Relationships are usually addressed by the key of the edge existing tables. In the tables, there are similar records which are uniform set of entries. A record consists of files that are interconnected show completion meaning in a record. It might sound completion but is really not. Based on the above understanding, I can recall that the database has several functions. Next, I will explain about benefits of the database in Slack. Database benefits. If you understand the benefit of database well, you will be have motivation to learn about database. So, what are the benefits of database? The follow is the explanation. Number 1, speed. Speed. Utilization of the database allow to be later insert, update, select, back data more quick answer. Number 2, space. With database strong space, user space can be down because of the increased number of data records. It's by number of the entering or by create interconnected tables. Number 3, Acquiring the formalization of relation between data along with the application of rules, type, domain, and data uniqueness can be applied in database. 4. Availability. Can so many data master? Can sort my data? Master transition history data to data explains. Data that is rarely or not long. User can be manager from active data system. 5. Completion. Completeness. This completeness. The completeness of data in the data is relative. If the user being is completed, the other are the matches the same. Security. The use of the database allow use to defer who has the ring to use the database and the object in it and determine what type of operation are allowed. 7. Shareability. Shareability. The database can be used by several users and server location. A database can be used database managed by a system application that support multi-user and meets the needs of most data ecosystems. Next, I will explain about the database rules in some. To produce a good database send there are rules information that you must buy. Alternative to the profession on making tablets I am next to the as the database. Data request, data ingress, data access, isolations, data for stadium, security issues, data independent issues, and multi-user. Next, I will explain about the database completion. Next, I will explain about the database system in itself. It's a system for collection and management record using completed with the idea of sorting of record and maintaining data so as to be able to provide the information needed by user for the benefit of the decision making process. Next, I will explain about the database component inside. The database system has major complexes. External hardware, operation system, database, application program, DBMs, database management system, and user. Number 1. hardware. That is user contained in database system, a computer for us. So the next system, online records memory. Two, operating system. That operating system a program that activates the computer system, control a record in the computer and perform basis computer operation, file manager and so on. The data manager program will because of which if the design operation system is a operating system common used by Microsoft DOS, Microsoft Windows, Unix, Linux, Mac, OS, and other. Next, database. Database is collection of data organization. It should why that it is said to store and manipulate. Next, DBMS, Data Management System, is collection of application program used to create and management database. DBMS collection a data collection and set of program for accepting data. DBMS is software that defines data is organized, so modified and retrieved. This software is also implement data security, magicness, share, and data user and data consistency. Software included in the DBMS includes yeah, Microsoft Access, SQL Server, MySQL or MySQL, DB2, Oracle, PostgreSQL, SQLite, MongoDB, and MariaDB. User. There are several types of users in the database system based on how they integrate with the database, including application program event user, general user, and special user. Database administrator. A database scoper should have one person and group of people in the database structure to handle database administrator, which is usually called a database administrator or data administrator (DBA). The database administrator is a person who is responsible for and works with system analysis and other user completed various tasks should division data, modeling data, caching dataset, and user the configuration of data integrity. And finally, conclusion, the discussion this time is about the basic composition of the database system. This component is very important to know order to produce a good database design. A good database must match the created as the database. Minimize data recorded, save strong space, and user data ingress. I will happy to answer questions in the comments columns. Comments on last comment. No, that's my presentation. Thank you very much. Goodbye.